This is how to change a chain on a chainsaw. First of all, we have a box here, personally, with new chains. And they have the sizes here, 25 inch, 20 inch, 18 inch, 36 on the top handles. And then we put dull chains in here, put them back in the bags from the sharpened chains, because we send these in to get sharpened. Now there's two bar nuts to call them here. Take them off. I'll loosen it a little bit to put the chain on. Then you want to make sure the chain is going this way. It cuts like this on the bottom underside. Just like that. I clean out this cover a little bit. Now this is when we're doing maintenance on the saws. We'll come and blow all this out, clean it out, clean the bars. You make sure this is all in the groove. I kind of like to set it like this and have it on, you know, either the driveway or the chipper chute or whatever, something flat so it's sitting like this. And then you just take the screw, tighten it. All it's doing is moving the bar forward to tighten the chain. Good amount of tension on it. Nothing crazy, but you definitely don't want it to come off. You can see here, you want a good amount of drive links showing. These are called drive links in the bar. Make sure it spins freely. Now another maintenance thing, they all have air filters back here. This one's probably dirty. Some of them you'll take the whole top off here. So you'll use this scrunch, pop them like this, like the little clips on cars. Blow it all